Hey everyone, today we're checking out the completely updated version of FLEX, FL Studio's powerful preset-based instrument and the most popular instrument in FL Studio. Included free with every edition of FL Studio, FLEX gives you access to thousands of ready-to-use sounds covering virtually every genre, from cinematic and orchestral instruments to synths, keys, basses, drums, and more. And if that's not enough, you can expand your collection even further with additional preset packs available from the FLEX store. Now in FL Studio 2026, FLEX has received a major refresh with a redesigned interface, improved performance, and a faster, more intuitive browsing experience. Finding and using the right sound is easier than ever. In this video, we'll explore the new interface, take a look at the updated workflow, and show you how to get the most out of the new FLEX. And if you haven't checked it out yet, use your lifetime free updates to get FL Studio 2026 and experience the new FLEX for yourself. Let's start with the new Play tab. This is where you'll probably spend most of your time when sketching out ideas. The layout is designed to help you load a preset and start playing right away, so you can capture a vibe in seconds. The key feature of the Play window is its macro controls, putting the most powerful sound shaping parameters at your fingertips. Each preset can include up to 8 macro knobs, and their functions change depending on the sound you've loaded. That means you can quickly adjust key characteristics of a patch and experiment with different variations without diving into deeper editing menus. And if you find a preset or variation you want to come back to later, you can click the star icon and add it to your favorites for quick access in future projects. When you want more control over a sound, head over to the Edit tab. The Edit tab gives you access to filters, envelopes, effects, and much more that let you fine-tune a patch to fit your track. The updated layout keeps everything organized and easy to navigate, so you can make meaningful adjustments without the need for deep synthesizer knowledge. One great feature to note here is the lock settings. Toggle it on to keep your settings applied when scrolling through presets. If you like a setting, you can keep it across other presets. Next, let's look at the Library tab. Here you can browse your installed FLEX packs. If you're new to FLEX, you'll see 2 packs are already installed: Core Synths and Core 808s. These are from our all-new Core series, a collection of 3 packs which makes up the updated factory library. And the Core series is available to all FL Studio users. It includes 8 new free packs: Core pianos, 808s, bass guitars, guitars, synths, strings, winds, and brass. And you can download all of these from the Store tab, which we'll look at next. Together, these libraries cover a wide range of essential sounds that can serve as a starting point for many different styles of music. Beyond the included factory library, the Store tab gives you access to additional FLEX packs that can be previewed and purchased directly within FLEX. These packs cover a variety of genres and sound design styles, with new packs dropping regularly. If you're looking to expand your sound library, you can purchase individual packs as needed. Finding sounds in the store and library is also faster thanks to the improved search system. You can choose, for example, bright hip-hop keys or hard EDM bass. And FLEX will quickly narrow down the results to help you find what you're after. Plus, you can now search for presets across all packs. Alternatively, FL Cloud Pro subscribers can access the full catalogue through their subscription, making it easy to explore and use a wider range of sounds without purchasing packs individually. If you don't have FL Cloud Pro, you can try it free for 30 days, which will unlock the full FLEX pack catalogue. The updated version of FLEX strikes a nice balance between simplicity and flexibility. It's easy to jump in and start creating, while still offering enough control when you want to shape sounds in more detail. If you haven't explored it yet, take advantage of lifetime free updates, update to FL Studio 2026 for free, and experience the redesigned FLEX firsthand.